My name is Maybellene Aung, and I designed an all-terrain electromagnetic levitation wheelchair as part of ScholarJet's Design for Disability Challenge. There are a lot of problems disabled people face on a daily basis. They often face obstacles making things inaccessible to them. Certain terrains are nearly impossible to cross. Rough landscapes can mean a tiring and uncomfortable ride. Simple leisure activities to able bodies are a challenge with current models of wheelchairs. Wheelchairs are often bulky and not agile. Going to the bathroom is something we don't even have to give a second thought to. But for people in bulky wheelchair, navigating narrow spaces prove to be a frustrating and exhausting task. They are often reliant on aids to carry out basic tasks. What is often not taken into account is the emotional and social drawbacks of current wheelchair models. Lack of agility impedes social interaction. For example, a girl with cerebral palsy in my high school felt constantly anxious to get close to someone in fear that they will run over someone's toes, when handicapped people just want to feel normal. The crude and bulky design seemed to make them stand out. Rather than asking how can handicapped people adapt to our society, we should be asking how society can adapt to the needs of handicapped people. These are the criteria I want to address considering the problems of current models. It has to work on all terrains. It must be lightweight and portable. It should be able to navigate narrow spaces with greater agility. Overall, I want to make life easier. The first mechanism I want to incorporate is electromagnetic levitation, achieved with repelling temporary magnets of steel and copper coil electromagnets. The mechanism holds steady even with the shock and impact. This means a more smooth and comfortable ride. The magnets can adjust to the weight of the rider to maintain that height difference. The magnetic disc under the seat will be free spinning with a ball bearing system, so the rider will experience the upward force without them spinning perpetually. An inspiration to this design is something called the GuardBot. It is originally a surveillance robot, and its unique feature is that it can operate on all terrain. It comes in various sizes, and its spherical design makes it agile and adaptable on any landscape. The traction on the ball ensures a safe ride. The camera in the middle going through the diameter is held stable, which is where I want to have the rod going through. The rods only need to support the relatively light weight of the magnets, so there's little risk of it breaking. The footrests branch from the rod for comfort. They will be able to explore more with loved ones with greater independence and safety. They will be able to navigate narrow spaces and take on tasks such as transferring to the toilet with greater ease. I want a design that will not be bulky or intimidating. The electromagnetic design means a smoother ride on any terrain. Thank you for your time and consideration.